nice shake. All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Gin Gimlet, simple. It's just gin and lime juice. Little happy hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lime juice. Give it a nice shake.
I gotta put something on the meter, so I'll be right back.
That's a bet.
You can put me in for some jerk wings.
Got you, man.